your brush starts sounding noisy, you likely need to replace your idle bearing. Use the onboard 5/32 Allen tool to remove the 2 idle plate screws. Remove the idle plate. Use the onboard tool to remove the Phillips screw that attaches the idle bearing cup. Remove the old idle bearing cup. Slide the Phillips shoulder screw through the idle cup and screw it onto the plate. Slide the idle plate back onto the machine, making sure the hex part of the shaft fits into the hex part of the brush. Replace and tighten the idle plate screws. Reach out to Spectrum by phone or website with any questions. 1-800-290-2833. www.mopit.com